Most people hear the words passive income and imagine fast money, luxury lifestyles, and instant freedom. That idea sounds exciting, but it's also the reason so many beginners fail. They expect results too quickly, get discouraged, and quit before anything has time to work. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building systems once and letting those systems create results again and again over time. Here's the truth. Passive income in 2026 is simpler than ever, but it still requires patience. It's not about scams, shortcuts, or hype. It's about realistic models that beginners can actually manage without burning out. You don't need a fancy background, special connections, or a full-time schedule. You need clarity, focus, and a willingness to build something that compounds. In this video, you're going to learn 7 passive income ideas that normal people can start in 2026. Each one is beginner-friendly, system-based, and designed to separate your time from your income. If you've ever felt stuck trading hours for money, this is where that pattern starts to break. Let's start with idea number 1, and it's the simplest one most people ignore. Digital products. Not massive online courses. Not complicated funnels. Just simple, focused assets like checklists, templates, planners, or short guides. People don't pay for information anymore. Information is everywhere. What they pay for is clarity. A clear solution to a specific problem saves time, and time is valuable. You create the product once, upload it to a marketplace, and it can sell repeatedly without you being involved. The biggest mistake beginners make is overbuilding. More pages don't mean more value. Solving one problem clearly beats trying to solve 10 problems poorly. Now let's move to idea number 2, which is even more hands-off when done correctly. Print on demand, but powered by AI. Most people think this means learning design skills or manually creating products. That's outdated. AI can now generate designs in seconds. You upload them to platforms that handle printing, shipping, and payments automatically. There's no inventory, no upfront stock, and no customer logistics. Where most people fail is trying to sell to everyone. One clear niche always beats 10 random ideas. Focused audiences buy more often and trust faster. Before we move to the next idea, understand this. Passive income doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing less, but doing it smarter. Idea number 3 is slower to start, but extremely durable. Niche websites with ads. Not blogs about everything under the sun, but small websites that answer very specific questions. AI makes this easier by helping you find low-competition topics people are already searching for. You publish helpful, straightforward content. Ads run quietly in the background. Over time, traffic builds, and income follows. The biggest mistake here is choosing competitive niches. Small audience with clear intent is where real passive income begins. Now let's talk about something more modern. Idea number 4 is faceless video channels. Short videos or long videos, it doesn't matter. No camera. No personal branding. No voice recording. AI can write scripts, generate visuals, and add voiceovers. Once videos are uploaded, they continue earning through ads and affiliate links. The reason most people fail is trend chasing. Trends disappear. Evergreen topics don't. Build systems that last, not viral moments that fade. Idea number 5 surprises a lot of beginners. Affiliate pages without content overload. Instead of posting everywhere, you create one focused page. One problem. One solution. AI helps you research what people are already buying, and you recommend it clearly. The mistake here is promoting too many products. Too many choices create confusion, and confusion kills conversions. Simplicity always wins. Idea number 6 sounds boring, and that's exactly why it works. Licensing simple digital assets. Things like planners, icons, background textures, music loops, or UI elements. You create the asset once and license it repeatedly. People use these assets in their own projects, and you earn again and again. The biggest mistake is thinking it has to be perfect. It doesn't. It just has to be useful. Now the final idea ties everything together. Idea number 7 is automation-based income. You set up tools that handle tasks for others. Scheduling, posting, organizing, reporting. Once the system is built, maintenance is minimal. Most people fail here because they build without demand. Always solve a real problem first. Automate second. Now zoom out. All 7 ideas work for the same reason. They separate effort from income. You work up front, and you earn later. That's what passive income actually means. If you're just starting, don't try all 7. Pick one idea. Commit to it for 30 days. Progress comes from consistency, not motivation. In the next video, I'll break down the easiest one to start with zero experience, step by step. Subscribe if you want passive income ideas that actually make sense in 2026. Remember, the goal isn't perfection or speed. It's building something that keeps working even on days you don't. Small actions, repeated daily, create momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence keeps you moving when results are quiet. Stay patient, trust the process, and let time become your biggest advantage. This mindset shift alone changes how beginners approach money, work, and long-term freedom forever onward. This video could save you years of trial and error, because most people think passive income means getting rich fast. It doesn't, and that misunderstanding is why they quit.